Most LinkedIn sales messages sound like a template wearing a fake compliment. Here is how to use ChatGPT without sounding automated. Bad message. Loved your profile. I help companies like yours drive growth. Do you have 15 minutes? That feels fake and rushed. It fails because the praise is vague, the pitch comes too fast, and the ask is too big. Give ChatGPT the person's role, company context, one real business signal, and a soft call to action. Use this prompt. Write a short LinkedIn sales message under 600 characters. Use this role, company context, and business trigger. Avoid hype, fake compliments, and hard selling. End with one simple question. ChatGPT may still make it too polished. Treat it as a draft, not the final message. Cut the fake compliment, shorten the pitch, and make the question easy to answer. Final version. Saw your team is hiring SDRs. When teams grow fast, onboarding and message consistency usually get harder. Is that already on your radar? For a connection request, keep it even shorter. Reference one relevant reason and do not pitch immediately. Remove phrases like game-changing, revolutionary, loved your profile, and just wanted to reach out. Use role context, business reason, short message, soft question, and a human edit. If you want LinkedIn and outreach prompts, grab my free guide, 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.